Hi, this is Jane. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I have a quick, easy recipe using Four Brothers maple sausage. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to take the mayonnaise and put it in a bowl. Then I'm gonna add my Dijon mustard. And then I am going to use our Four Brothers maple syrup. And I'm just going to mix that all together. Okay, now if you have not had a chance to see this, this is our Four Brothers maple sausage. And if you have not had a chance to try it, please stop into one of our stores and check it out. I slice it up for breakfast. I use it obviously for an appetizer. I've even had it for dinner, but it has got such an excellent taste and you can taste that wonderful maple flavor. So now I've sliced up my sausage. I'm just gonna pour the sauce over. And now I'm just gonna mix the sausage together with it. Quick and easy. Next step is just popping it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until it's heated through. My sausage bites are done. The sauce is on, it looks fantastic. The smell of maple in the air is awesome. It's time for me to sample, time for me to enjoy. But now I want you to be able to enjoy too. So what I want you to do is get on celebratemore.com/Jane's Recipes. Not only will this one be on there, but so will many more. We'll see you soon.